I'm at the somewhat busy airport in Hamburg because it's travel day. I'm going to the Portuguese city of Porto. More on YouTube.
Befestigen Sie die Maske mit einem elastischen Band um Ihren Kopf. Legen Sie die Maske zuerst sich selbst an und helfen Sie dann anderen. In case of an emergency landing on water, there is a life vest.
And just like that, after quite an exciting ride in a boat car, I am in downtown Porto. After using some international sign language at the reception desk, I am in my room. Well, the guy there didn't speak English or German, and I don't speak Portuguese, which I think puts him totally at an advantage, because after all, this is Portugal. We figured stuff out, and he asked me if I wanted a quiet room, and I said yes, and I'm not sure if that was the best decision, because this is the view I get now. But it's cool, you know, I'm not in Porto to spend my days in a small hotel room. I guess the other rooms that aren't that quiet, they go out to the plaza that's right in front of the hotel, and there's a lot going on there. There are bars and cafes and lots of people. You'll see it when I get back out, because I will very soon. I want to go down to the river to wrap up the day. Yeah, so this is right outside the hotel. So maybe, I mean, I don't mind a bit of, like noise, as long as it's people having fun. But actually, I guess sleeping in one of the rooms that don't face the street might not have been such a bad idea after all. Okay, first night in Porto, and of course there's one place I want to go. Okay, this place stuns me already, and also I hear seagulls in the background, so I feel right at home. That's right, Dom Lewis Bridge, and I have a feeling we haven't seen the last of this beauty. And that's me arriving in Porto. Excited and exhausted after a full travel day. Of course I forgot to record an outro on camera, so here it is. And also, I hope you'll stick around for the next upcoming episodes of me traveling through northern Portugal. Until then, I hope you have a great day, take care and be safe. Bye bye for now.